Namaste students. In our last class what we learned? Different types of lines, and also in our yesterday's class we learned about curves. Today we learn about angle. Now what is an angle we will see. When the two rays, we know that what is ray, and we learnt it, a line which starts from one point and continues here, it is known as ray. Now this is ray OA. Another one ray which starts from the point, same point O, and it is in this direction, and we write OB. So here there are two rays meet or start from the same point O. So here it is angle is formed, and we mark the angle by the arc. So angle is marked by the arc, and here the angle is AOB. And how we write angle AOB? We write like this in words. Instead of writing like angle AOB, we write the symbol. Angle symbol is this one. So we write angle AOB is like this. So here there are two rays which starts from the same point O, and O is known as the vertex or common point. So two rays start from the same point forms a corner, and that corner is the angle. So we mention the angle by the letter AOB, where O indicates the angle O, and it is always written in the middle of the two letters. Or you can write angle BOA. It is also the same angle. Both are same. Or you can mention by the letter, only by the letter O. So you can write in three ways, but these two ways of writing the angle is more specific than writing like this. Now what we call OA and OB? As I told you, OA and OB are the two rays, or we call that one as the arms of the angle O, or sides of the angle O. Arms or sides of the angle AOB are OA and OB. We mention OA and OB are the arms of the angle AOB. Now, if there is a point in the middle of the or inside the angle AOB, let this point is C. So what we call the point C is interior of the angle AOB. So interior point. So what is interior point? Interior point is the point which is inside the angle. So interior point here is C. So this point B is on angle AOB. So point on AOB. AOB is the angle. Which point is on the angle AOB is D point. And the point which is outside the angle, so we call it as exterior point. So which is the exterior point? Exterior point is E. Now we see another figure. In our first class we have learnt when the two lines intersect. This is the one line, and here is the another line. When the two lines intersect at one point, AB is the one line and CD is the another line. When they intersect at the point O, here we are getting angles. Now can you name which are the angles formed when these two straight lines intersect. Now we will see here O is the point where the two lines intersect, or we call that point O is the intersecting point. Now we mark the angle. This is one angle. By the arc we mark the angle. This is the another angle, and here is the third angle, and this is the fourth angle. So when the two lines intersect, we get 4 different angles, and now we have to name these 4 angles. So here angle AOC is the one angle. So you have to write angle AOC, or you can write the same angle by the letter COA. Both are one and the same, but you cannot write angle O here, because if you write angle O, it is not proper. Here there are 4 angles at O only, so you have to write only in these 2 ways. So this is one angle, and here there is another angle, and it is angle BOC or COB. Angle BOC or angle COB, it is one and the same. Third angle, this angle, angle DOB or angle BOD. So angle BOD or angle DOB. Next, fourth angle, angle DOA, this angle, or angle AOD. Angle DOA or angle AOD. So here we are getting 4 different angles when these two lines intersect. And how many rays you can see here? OA and OC are the 2 rays or arms or sides of the angle AOC or COA. Now if you consider this angle, which are the arms of that angle? OC and OB are the arms of this angle BOC. Third angle, angle BOD means this angle, and the arms of that angles are OB and OD are the arms of that angle. And if you consider the last angle DOA, this angle, the arms of that angle is OD and OA. Now we will see another one figure. Are you able to identify this figure which has 3 sides? Very good, it is a triangle. So we name the triangle ABC. Now in this triangle ABC, are you able to identify the different angles? Yes, one angle, angle A. So you can write angle A here, or you can write angle BAC, or you can write angle CAB. So here you can write angle A because there is only one angle is formed at the point A. So you can write like that. Second one, angle B, or you can write angle ABC, or you can write angle CBA. Third angle, angle C, and you can write it as angle ACB or angle BCA. Now we see what is triangles. In our last class we have seen a polygon, a closed figure bounded by 3 or 4 or more than 4 sides is known as polygon. Now what about a triangle? Triangle is one type of polygon which consists of 3 sides. So a polygon with the least number of sides is a triangle. So it is also a closed figure. So triangle is a closed figure bounded by 3 sides and which is on the plane. So triangle is a plane figure bounded by 3 sides. Now we write triangle PQR in words, but instead of writing like this, it is the symbol to show triangle. So triangle PQR is the representation of triangle. And here you can see 3 sides. Which are the 3 sides? PQ, QR and RP. So sides of this triangle, sides of the triangle PQR are PQ, QR and RP, or you can name, instead of PQ you can name it as QP, instead of QR you can name it as RQ, both are one and the same. Instead of RP you can name that PR. So a triangle has 3 sides, the 3 sides are written here, and it has 3 angles. As I told you just now, here there are 3 angles, angle P, angle Q and angle R. So there are 3 sides, 3 angles. So now I name the 3 angles like this: angle P, angle Q and angle R. And there are 3 vertices. Which are the 3 vertices here? They are P, Q and R. Here the 2 sides meet at one point, that point is the vertex P, and Q is the another point where the side PQ and QR meet, and Q is the another vertex, and R is the another vertex in which QR and PR meet. So there are 3 vertices, they are P, Q and R. As we have seen in the angle, if the point is inside the triangle, let this point is A, which is inside the triangle, then we call it as interior point. So here interior point is A. If the point is on the triangle, let this is the point B, which is on the side PR, so we call it as point B is on triangle. So point on triangle PQR, which is the point which is B. And if there is a point which is outside the triangle, then we call it as exterior point. So exterior point here is C. Observe this figure. Can you name the triangles in this figure? Yes, here there is one triangle. So triangle ABC, and another one triangle, triangle ACD, and the third triangle is triangle ADE. So can you name its sides? The sides of the triangle ABC are AB, BC and AC. And the angles of that triangle are angle BAC, this angle, angle ACB, this angle, and angle CBA is the third angle. So there are 3 angles in triangle ABC, 3 sides, and there are 3 vertices, angle vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. Now can you name the 3 different sides of the triangle ACD? AC is one side, CD and AD are the 3 sides of the triangle ACD. And name the sides of the triangle AED. AE, ED and AD are the 3 sides, and the 3 angles are angle DAE, angle AED and angle EDA. And the 3 vertices of this triangle are A, D and E. Here there is one question. See, Draw rough diagrams of two angles such that they have one point in common, 2 points in common, 3 points in common, 4 points in common. So, how to draw the rough diagram we will see. Here is the question, 1 point in common. So, we have to draw an angle in such a way that, see, this is one angle formed. Now we draw another one angle from the same point. So one point is common. So you can draw like this. This is O. So OA is the one ray, OB is the another ray, and OC is the third ray. So here which are the angles formed? Angle AOB and angle BOC are the two angles formed, and the common point, which is the common point for both the angles? O. So here it is asked 1 point in common means this is the figure. Now here the second one, 2 points in common. So what you can do? You can draw the same figure. See, if you draw the same figure, here we have to mention 2 points in common. So, OA, OB and OC are the three rays. Here the two angles, angle AOB and angle BOC are the two angles, and the common points here O and B. So you can write common points O and B. Here also you write common point is O. Third one, 3 points in. This is one straight line, and here there is one ray. Now this straight line, let it be AB, and this ray let it be OC, and there should be 3 common points. So we mark 1 point on the ray OC, and the two angles are AOC and angle BOC. And the 3 common points are O, and mark this as D, O, D and C. So 3 common points are O, D and C. Now the next one, 4 points in common. So we can draw the same figure as we have done in third question. Now we write P, Q, R, S. Okay, we have mentioned a different name here. Here we mark 1 point R, then another 1 point T, another 1 point U. There should be 4 points. Already we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So angle here, angle PRS and angle SRQ. And 4 common points are for the two angles also common, 4 common points are T, U, S. Students, exercise 4.3 and 4.4 are the homework problems. Thank you.